In here batting over 600.
And he'll take a walk. And Japan has its leadoff hitter on base. For Lanigan, the defense set up a weak whatsoever. Lanigan, high pitch, that slice to right field. That's going to fall for a base hit. The runner held up at first and can only get to second. He wasn't even halfway. And that slice to center field, right at the outfielder. The throw coming into third base, going to second in scoring position.
Here's another look. One of the things you're going to see, and Michael Lykin's a good center fielder, good two-hopper throw, is the...
Look out, high pass ball, and the first run for Japan will slide into...
Sponsors, Lake Country Co-op, Myers Norris Penny, Prince Albert Ford Doctor, the Gateway Mall, and M&M Food Market.